Before you begin, remove the top cover and 2.5-inch storage drive assembly. Removal. Remove the 16mm T15 Torx head screw that secures the GPU fan to the system board. Swing the GPU fan up until it is perpendicular to the GPU heatsink. Slide the posts on the GPU fan straight up and out of the notches in the GPU heatsink. Disconnect the GPU fan connector from the system board. Remove the GPU fan. Replacement. Connect the fan into the connector to the system board. Slide the GPU fan posts into the slots in the GPU heatsink and swing it into position on the system board. Important: ensure the GPU fan cable is not pinched between the GPU fan and system board components. Replace the 16mm T15 Torx head screw that secures the GPU fan to the system board.